In a quiet pond at the edge of a green meadow, there lived a turtle named Tilly. She wasn't fast like the dragonflies or flashy like the colorful fish, but Tilly had something special, a kind heart. Every morning, she'd wake up with the sun, stretch her little legs, and slowly make her way around the pond, checking on her neighbors. "Good morning, Mrs. Duck," she'd say. "Do you need help with your nest?" "Let me carry that pebble, little crab," she'd offer. "You look tired." The animals loved Tilly. Even though she moved slowly, her kindness always arrived right on time. One hot summer day, a group of animals were playing near the pond when they heard a tiny voice cry, "Help! Help!" It was Benny the beetle. He had fallen into the water and couldn't swim. The dragonflies flew too fast, the frogs panicked, and the fish didn't know what to do. But Tilly? She didn't waste a moment. Step by careful step, she made her way into the pond. Slowly, steadily, she swam to the struggling beetle. With her gentle shell, she lifted him out of the water and carried him to shore. "You're safe now," she said softly. Benny, dripping and shivering, looked up at her. "Thank you, Tilly. You saved me." The animals cheered. 3 cheers for Tilly. That night, as the stars sparkled above the pond, the animals gathered to celebrate their slow but strong friend. Tilly just smiled and said, "Kindness doesn't have to be loud or fast. It just has to come from the heart." From then on, whenever someone was in trouble or needed a helping hand, they knew they could count on Tilly, the kind turtle who always took the time to care.